In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change financial year end in QuickBooks Online. This is really useful if your business has recently changed its year-end date, or if you've just set up your QuickBooks file and realized the fiscal year doesn't match your actual reporting period. Adjusting this setting ensures that your reports, like profit and loss and balance sheet, line up correctly with your accountant's expectations and any legal filing requirements. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the Settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This is where you can control most of the behind-the-scenes configuration for your company file. From the menu that appears, choose Account and Settings. This will open a new window or panel where you can see several categories of settings for your company. Take a moment to let it load fully so you don't accidentally click the wrong thing. On the left-hand side of this Account and Settings window, you'll see a list of tabs. Click on the one labeled Advanced. This section contains all the deeper, more technical options that affect how your books behave overall, including your fiscal year, accounting method, and some automation preferences. Once you're in the Advanced tab, look for the section called Accounting. This is the area that controls the structure of your financial reporting. On the right side of that accounting section, you'll see a small pencil icon. Click that pencil icon to edit the settings. Now you'll see options including one labeled First Month of Fiscal Year. Open that drop-down menu. From here, choose the month that your new financial year begins. For example, if your financial year now starts in July, select July from the list. Take a second to double-check this choice because it affects how year-to-date and comparative reports are calculated going forward. Once you've selected the correct first month, click the Save button in that accounting section. QuickBooks will apply your changes and update the setting. Finally, to close everything out cleanly, click Done at the bottom of the Account and Settings window. This takes you back to your main QuickBooks dashboard with your new financial year setting now in place. That's all you need to do to change your financial year end in QuickBooks Online.